still relying on outdated contact forms and delayed responses. Imagine if your website could greet visitors, answer their questions instantly, qualify leads, and even help close deals, all without writing a single line of code. Sounds futuristic? It's not. With NoForm AI, it's your new reality. In this video, we'll show you how to build your own custom AI chatbot tailored to your business in minutes. Most businesses lose leads simply because no one is there to engage them at the right time. Traditional forms don't work anymore. People want real-time, conversational experiences, but building your own chatbot sounds expensive, time-consuming, and way too technical. That's exactly why we built NoForm AI. NoForm AI lets you create a custom AI chatbot that speaks your brand's language, understands your services, and helps you close more deals 24/7. No code needed. You decide what your bot should say, what leads to capture, and how to guide visitors, all using a simple, intuitive interface. Let's start with the basics. With NoForm AI, building a custom chatbot is as simple as pasting your website link. Once you drop your site's URL into the platform, the AI scans your pages, pulls in your content, and instantly creates a functional chatbot based on what it learns. Within a few minutes, you'll have a working chatbot that already knows your business. Now comes the fun part, making your chatbot truly yours. With NoForm AI, you can tailor the design to match your brand. Add your logo. Choose custom colors. Change chat bubble size, shape, and placement. You can even write your first message to greet every visitor personally and use conversation starters to guide them through common questions. To take it a step further, you can train your chatbot by uploading documents like product sheets, frequently asked questions, policies, and more. You can also add manual instructions, tell your bot how to speak, when to escalate, and what to emphasize. Before going live, test your chatbot inside the dashboard. Simulate real conversations and challenge your AI with different user questions. Ask teammates to try it out. If something's off, just tweak the settings in the AI Behavior tab and watch the improvements instantly go live. Ready to go live? Just copy and paste your chatbot code into your website. It works on WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Framer, and more. You can embed it or use a floating chat bubble. Start with key pages like your homepage, pricing page, or contact page, and expand from there. NoForm AI is helping businesses across industries boost efficiency, reduce costs, and close more leads, all through intelligent automation. Take Dog Gone Taxi, a pet relocation service. By adding a NoForm AI chatbot, they double their customer handling capacity without hiring more staff. As Rebecca Henning, the founder of Dog Gone Taxi, puts it, "The chatbot is really helping me control my costs. So I can still spend my time with the clients one-to-one, but it like doubles what I'm able to do as one person." And then there's Cheqmark, the ultimate free checklist maker. They implemented an AI-powered chatbot to help users instantly find relevant checklist templates, reduce repetitive support inquiries, and guide visitors through the platform. People want answers now, not tomorrow. When given the choice between filling out a form and waiting for a response versus getting immediate help from our chatbot, the decision was obvious. NoForm AI isn't just an alternative. It's the preferred way for our users to get assistance, says Stephanie Sperry-Shiva, marketing manager at Cheqmark. With a custom AI chatbot, you're not just automating replies, you're creating meaningful conversations that feel human. NoForm AI chatbots are multilingual, smart, fast, and always available. And unlike generic bots, yours will speak exactly the way your business does. With NoForm AI, anyone can create a powerful custom chatbot, no tech skills required. Whether you want to automate support, qualify leads, or just make your website smarter, it's all possible in minutes. Start building today at noform.ai.